Davido, the OBO himself, was seen on the streets of Paris as he was seen having fun, vacationing with some of his friends and his 30 billion gang. Israel DNW was seen all smiles following his boss around as they were seen all smiles. Davido is in Paris, France, where he's seen having fun, and everywhere he's going in Paris, Davido is so big and so famous that anywhere, even in the street of Paris, you have to see fans trooping, cameramen follow him all around as he was busy having fun and doing shopping massively. OBO is in a world of his own right now. He had one of the biggest wedding ceremonies in Nigeria, and since then he's just been living his life, enjoying himself and just vacationing with his friends and just having fun. Davido was seen in Paris as he was seen having fun with some of his friends as he was patrolling the street of Paris. Okay guys, I was sharing with you how the whole thing has been going down. Drop a comment below, tell us what you think about it, like and share, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Hey, what's up, Davido?
Wagwan!
How are you? You enjoy Paris?
I love Paris.
I see that you enjoy. Happy to see you in Paris.
Man, I love Paris. We out here.
You speak French?
On peu.
Ah, thank you. I like the outfit.
You like it?
Yes, what are you wearing?
I don't know. What's this? Some shit.
Okay, let's go.
Like shit.
Crazy feet.
Fucking shit, nigga.
Thank you.
Go ahead. Yeah.
You speak French?
On peu.
Ah, thank you. I like the outfit.
You like it?
Yes, what are you wearing?
I don't know. What's this? Some shit.
Okay, let's go.
Like shit.
Crazy feet.
Fucking shit, nigga.
Watch it. You speak French?
On peu.
Ah, thank you. I like the outfit.
You like it?
Yes, what are you wearing?
I don't know. What's this? Some shit.
Okay, let's go.
Like shit.
Crazy feet.
Fucking shit, nigga.
Watch it.
Yeah.